What are you smelling there? Psst, come. Psst. 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 Look at that kitten. Black and white kitten is coming closer, and this one I guess doesn't like that things because I don't know. Psst. This kitten is coming closer. Wow. Look at you. So thin. In this season, seeing the kitten is rare, I guess, because it's cold. It's in winter and the weather is actually cold. And seeing the kitten here is not common. I don't know where it's come from, but this kitten is here in this middle of this big park, and he wants to play with my camera. He wants my camera. It's very cute. His color is very good, and he's a good, I don't know, boy or girl, which is coming up from my shirt. Come on, sit here. We can be friends. Can we? Look at you. He wants to jumping on me. But that cute tabby cat is angry for that because she wants to get closer. Come on, sit here. This Snow White cat. You can't come. You can't get friend. Like this cat is going off the kid. Oh, she's angry. She punched this small kitten. She doesn't want her. She's angry with. She's chasing her to beating her. But this kitten is coming to me for escaping of her paws. This jealous cat is coming again to attacking that kitten because she's really jealous. She's beating that kitten. I don't know for what reason. Be. She's not satisfied of that kitten. What is wrong with her? I don't know. She doesn't allow that kitten play with me. Come here. Don't scare. I'm here. She's chasing that small kitten. I don't know what's wrong with her. Where she's looking for behind. Oops. Oops. Yeah. Come on. This one. Why do you? Psst. What's wrong with you? This kitten is on her nerve. Psst. Yeah. Yeah. Psst. She's angry. The kitten. Yeah. This kitten coming to me because she scared of that cat. Go up there and enjoy your hi. Meow. Better is for you better. I guarantee here is very better for you. Small kitten, but this she's Tabby. She's a really jealous cat. She doesn't allow. She's angry with this. I don't know what is. Why does she has anger on that kitten? What is? She's really angry with this kitten. I guess she's playing with that kitten, but kitten is scared of that female cat punching that kitten, poor kitten. If I involve it, but then next what happened? Again, she went after that kitten, and it's natural. It's insane, but she's jealous. Yeah, come on. This poor kitten. Come on. Human. Come on, come. Come on. Come on, don't scare of me. I am human. Human doesn't hurt you. But I guess she went. this place is dark and we can hide here. Hiding here is a good place for them to rest. What's wrong with you? Cute kitten, I like you so much. You're a good kitten. You know that? What is... Oh my gosh, another kitten. Are here. Is their house. I said that their one is not coming visiting kitten here this season, and as you can see they have a nest. Come on, I didn't realize that it could be two of them here. As you can see, this tabby cat is coming up. She don't let them in peace. She's really jealous. She consistently, come on, you're punching me too. Psst. 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 Go on. Go on. Psst. Look at this. He's really afraid for poor kitten. I don't know what is her problem with this small kitten, because maybe they are into her territory, and he's really angry with them. She's really angry with them, and she's so cute, but I don't know why she's jealous and bad girl. She wants to play now. She wants to flirting for me, but when I get close, you will disappear. I guess it's along with you, cat, and you can enjoy that.